Hey guys, Jim with Holmes Park Knife Sharpening. Got a nice day outside, so I got the garage door open, and you probably hear neighbors and dogs barking and cars and stuff. So anyway, got some knives to sharpen. Show you what we got here. Right over there they are. So a few knives, a pair of scissors. So we're gonna go at it. I'm gonna be using my buck tools today, and let's get them done. These actually don't feel like they're all that bad. So these are going relatively quick. I'm doing these edge trailing instead of edge leading today. I think I was able to see, or my hand just in the way. I bet you my hand is just in the way. So let me do this. Okay, I'm gonna try this angle for a little bit. If you guys would comment, kind of let me know what angle you like, what angle seems to work for you. So you can see a little better. I'm just kind of playing around with some of this stuff. I'm going to try to figure it out. So let's go over to the okay, this is the, trying to see if you guys are going to be able to see what's going on there. I think you will. So this is that was the Cubitron 120 I just used over here. This is the Trizact A30. Okay, now I'm going to try something a little different today. I'm always fooling around and trying some new things. I'm going to try the really fine, it's like a strapping belt on a Ken Onion. I want to see how that works. So let me grab our first knife and we're going to see if what this does to the sharpness of the blade. Okay, I can see there's a burr still on there. I'm just going to run this across the leather real quick. I want to see. Yeah, I'm liking it. Oh yeah, that's sweet. That's real sweet. Okay. I know it's a tiny piece of paper, but look at that. Okay. I am liking the way this is turning out. I may use this as my go-to on most of my knives at this point. So I think these are turning out kind of sharper than I've ever had before, I think. Okay, let's tilt this up a little bit here. Show you guys what's going on. Look at that. That's the way they should be cutting. And this is with my, oop, I have a, yep, right there's a little bit of a catch. Can't really hold this real well right here. See if it's catching right there. Oh, got it now. Love it. Okay, so those are all done. All we have left is a pair of scissors. And I've been looking at these, and I think we're gonna take down a very fine bevel on this. I think that's all I'm going to do on that one. This one has a serration. It's kind of a flat bevel on top, so I want to make sure that I got it. Okay. Perfect. Okay. So now, let me make sure if there's any burr on here. Let me get it off. Oh, you know what? I tested these and they weren't even cutting paper. And I should have showed that to you. Oops. Oh, I put them together right. Now, part of the problem is, well, I think they're a little loose, to be honest with you, but I don't know. I don't know if this turns or not. Nope, I don't think it does. Well, let's see what it does. Oh, that did it. Nice. See if I can do this without any, yep. What I did is I took my thumb out so I'm not putting any pressure on it. Yep, we're good. Okay, so scissors are done. Knives are all done. This up here. Okay. a few of these. That one's done. So these are all, well, these are Shun knives, which I really like. The Shun knives, not only are they good quality, but they're nice and easy to sharpen. Get a new edge on them really easy. They hold their edge well. I think I can use, that's going to be too long, that's for sure. That's okay, I think this one will fit. So we'll, this one I think will fit okay in one of these. It does, but doesn't hold real well. So I think, where's my tape? I don't want to put tape on the knife, but if I put it right next to it here, kind of holds it in there. Okay. And oops. Pick that up in a minute. Where are we at here? 6. I use those scissors we just did. See. Oh yeah, sweet. Okay. And there we go, guys. We're all set. They're all cleaned up. They're all sharp. They're all ready to go. So that's it for today. I really like using this Ken Onion with this really fine belt, and I got some compound on there. That really works nice to put a final edge on it. Takes off some of the burr, or all the burr. Puts a really nice fine edge on it. So I may start doing this as a kind of my go-to, using all 3 of these. And we'll try it for a while. We'll see what happens. So, okay guys, have a great day. And we will see you in the next one.